Living in Australia and looking to simplify your public transport payments? Adding your Opal Card to Apple Wallet in Australia can make your daily commute much easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to add your Opal Card to Apple Wallet. As of mid-2025, the ability to directly add your physical Opal Card to Apple Wallet for tap-to-pay functionality has been a highly anticipated feature in New South Wales, Australia. While general contactless payments with credit-debit cards are widely accepted, direct Opal Card integration into Apple Wallet for transit-specific features has been in development and rollout. To add your Opal Card to Apple Wallet, you would typically use the Opal Travel app or potentially the Apple Wallet app directly if the feature has been fully rolled out by Transport for NSW. Open the Opal Travel app and look for an option to add Opal Card to Apple Wallet or convert to digital card. If the direct integration is available, you would follow the prompts, which might involve verifying your existing physical Opal Card details or setting up a new digital Opal Card. This process often includes transferring any existing balance from your physical card to the digital version. Finally, once successfully added, your digital Opal Card in Apple Wallet would allow you to simply tap your iPhone or Apple Watch at Opal readers for seamless public transport travel. Keep an eye on official announcements from Transport for New South Wales for the latest updates on this feature. And there you have it. Adding your Opal Card to Apple Wallet is a key step for modern transit. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.